Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachel from Thrive in Truth, and I haven't made a video in such a long time, but I just subscribed to the Sweet Kawaii Design Hobonichi kit. This is the planner I've been using this year. And so I'm gonna do an unboxing or a flip through. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna open up the stickers and I'm gonna show you the stickers, okay? So here's my Hobonichi, and I haven't really been decorating my weeklies. I have a little bit, but I want to get better at it. And so I'm thinking that if I subscribe to this journaling kit, Hobonichi kit. Okay, so I filmed going through my stickers yesterday and that part of the video gone. No idea where it happened. So I've already opened them and they're probably out of order, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so starting off, she gives you this. This is actually one big sticker sheet, but these are individual stickers. You could totally use this all together. You can take these out, or you can cut this out, move the sticker somewhere else, and then just use this piece in your daily. That would be really cute as well. Then you have these cute little doodles, drawings. I don't know, they're individual stickers, and I love these corner stickers. Those are super cute because it helps me fill out my like weeklies or my dailies or my weeklies, sorry. When I have nothing to write, I just need to put something down. This part I like because she tells you when she does the reveal, when you have to subscribe by, and then when it ships out. So this is a monthly subscription. I'm so excited to have something monthly because it'll help me like have something to look forward to. Okay, you got these checkoff lists here. And then you have like, these are labels, daisies, super cute. This one, okay, this one is so light, but it's there. These are good for like your weekly schedule, menu, workout plan, things like that. These are one long stickers. These are individual. Another corner. Oh, that's a pin pouch. That's so cute. Do you see a little pin pouch? And then you have the, you see the pin pouch? Bye. Now you don't. And then we have these labels. And again, this bottom one, it's very light. These are there. They're labels and they're cute, but they're there. These are good for the weekly or the monthly. Appointments, birthdays, things like that. And I like that they're squares and then you have these fun daisies because you can use these for like the same way you use those or as decorative stickers. So that's super cute. Then you have these weeklies, not weeklies, sorry. You can cover up your weekly spaces with these, kind of like the Happy Planner, but since these aren't boxes, they'll just fit nicely in there. And I don't know if I can't remember, she might have them size for the Happy Planner. And I know this is the Hobonichi one and she has multiple sizes and then she's got like journaling. And I chose this because I don't really feel like I need help with the journaling part. Then these are like washi sheets, but they're not washi. They're still vinyl. Big corner sections here. See that? Pretty. And then we have these, I guess you could say these are icons, but they're decorative. You can use these weekly, daily. I tested my pen there. She's like, don't use gel pen. So a ballpoint pen is all I'm going to use for now. If you have any other suggestions for pens, besides Sharpies, I think Sharpies will work fine. But if you have any other pen suggestions, please let me know. These are great for habit trackers. I really want to get better at using those because I just don't use them because I'm not in a good routine of opening my planner every morning. I know it's a problem. Why do you have all this and then you don't use it? I don't know. It's a struggle. This is a big giant sticker paper. You could cut these out, but you can also cut the paper up and you can use this in the journal. You can use this like the dailies. Like you could totally cover up a sheet or, do whatever you want, girl. It's yours. You paid for it. Some thicker sheets. I know people like to use these like, I think these fit here. Like you can cover up this whole section there and then put stickers over it. I probably won't use it that way, but you can. You can do whatever you want, girl. It's your planner. So there's enough here for either 5 weeks or 4 weeks and a monthly. So you can cover up you can cover up each up there, or you can cover up the monthlies right here if the month only has 4 weeks. Then you have these here. So see, you could use those stickers and then put these like the big strips in the right here, and then you can put the little ones. I would probably use these for monthly. That's what I would use them for. Girl, whatever you want. And then you have some more like weekly boxes, as we would say, or sections in the weekly for the Happy Planner. You can write on these still or just leave them like that. You can put another stick in there. Sometimes when I just need to fill up my planner because duh, I want to put stickers and everything, make it cute, I'll just put like, and I don't have a lot going on because I have no life sometimes. That is okay. I'll just put another sticker in there. You know, you can put that flower in there in the middle and it'll be beautiful. We'll love it. Well, that is my flip through of my stickers. I'm so excited that I have something to look forward to every month now when I get my stickers in the mail. I'll have some like vision, I don't know, some ideas of what to do with my planner. It's not going to be empty. I think I already flipped through this yesterday, my other part of my video, but I'm struggling, y'all, and I want it to be cute like my Happy Planner was, but it's different vibes and I'm struggling, but it's going to get better. And I have all thanks to Sweet Kawaii Design. I'm just kidding, y'all. You can go to their website. I don't have a code or anything. I'm just a regular old subscriber. It's my first time subscribing. Super excited. But thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Go find me on the IG at Thrive in Truth. I'll smell y'all later. Bye.